Okay, so question 29 was as follows. The diagram below shows a mapping from set A to set B. Okay, so you can study the mapping there, which we have set A and set B. So you can take set A as domains and set B as ranges. Okay, range. Okay, so to find the value of, the question is find the value of x. So for us to find the value of x, first we need to come up with a formula that can help us to find the value of x. So to find the form, to make a formula, we're going to start first by finding the domain. So what is the domain? So here, to find the domain, we're going to take that set B consists of elements that are for y, and set A is for x. So we're going to say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is the value of x? So I'm going to pick the first two elements in y, which is up there, 9 and 11. So I'm going to subtract 9 minus 11. And from x, I'm going to pick 4 and 2. You make sure you get the matching pairs. So, which will be over 4 minus 2. Okay? Then we find the difference of these. So 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay? Then we divide 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. Okay? Once we have done that, then now we can go ahead and write the formula that we can use. So we usually use this formula, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so here we can write y is equal to, so we have found the gradient, which is 1. Where there is m stands for a gradient. So I found a gradient which is 1, then which will be 1x. But we haven't found the value of c, which is y-intercept, or the constant. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the same formula to find the value of x. So we're going to write this formula this side. Where there is m, I've already put 1 because I've already found the gradient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a set of numbers. So I want to pick 7 and 14, not the one I've underlined there, but 7 and 14. So I'm going to use where there is y, I'm going to put 14 because we, as I said earlier on, these elements which are in set B are represented by y. So where there is y, I'm going to put 14, then which will be equal to 1. Then where there is x, there is, that is 7. Okay, then plus c, the constant. Okay, then we're going to say 14. Then we evaluate 1 multiplied by 7 will give us 7. Then plus c. Then here we're going to put like terms together. So I'm going to say 14. Then 7 will cross the equal sign and become negative. So minus 7 is equal to c. Okay. Then once we have done this, then we can find the value of 14 minus 7, which is 7, which is 7 is equal to c. So the value of c is 7. So we're going to say, we're going back on the middle where there is a purple formula. So we're going to say y is equal to 1x. Then we're going to say 1x plus c, 7, because we have found that the value of c is 7. We will go further and simplify the formula by saying yx is equal to 1x plus 7. So we're going to evaluate 1x. So we're going to say y is equal to 1x, 1 times x will give us x, which will be plus 7. Now that is the formula we're going to use to find the value of x. So we're going to write here down. We're going to write down here, just like I have shown. That is where I want to find. So we're going to say, we're going to write the formula, which is yx is equal to, which is y is equal to x plus 7. That's a formula. We have just written it. Then we're going to say, what is the value of y there? It is 17. So we're going to say 17 is equal to x plus 7. Then we're going to put like terms together. So we're going to have 17 minus 7 is equal to x. So we evaluate 17 minus 7 will give us 10. So 10 is equal to x. So the value of x in that is 10. The value of x in that mapping is 10. Okay, now let's go to question number 30. A television set can be bought for 6,000 kwacha cash. It can also be bought on hire purchase by paying a deposit of 2,000 plus 6 equal monthly installment of 1,000. Tembani wants to buy the television on hire purchase. How much more will he pay on the hire purchase? Okay, so hire purchase cost is equal to, so we're going to say hire purchase cost, HPC, that is hire purchase cost, is equal to deposit plus total installment. So we're told that the deposit is 2,000 kwacha, then plus 1,000 multiplied by, we are told 6 equal monthly installment. So multiplied by 6. So now we're going to say 2,000 kwacha plus 1,000 kwacha times 6 will give us 6,000 kwacha. 2,000 plus 6,000 kwacha will give us 8,000 kwacha. So 8,000 kwacha, this is the hire purchase cost. Okay, so once we have found that, then now we can find the difference of hire purchase and the buying it cash. So now we know that the buying the television on cash is 6,000. On hire purchase it's 8,000. So 8,000 is bigger than 6,000. So we're going to say 8,000 then minus the cash price, which is 6,000. Then when you find the difference of 8,000 and 6,000, you find that the difference is 2,000. So Tembeni will pay 2,000 more if he buys on hire purchase. If he buys on hire purchase, he's going to pay 2,000 more than buying at cash. Okay, so basically these were the answers examiners were expecting from you in this paper. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.